Alright guys, I figured I'd do a short video about the 3D printer I've used on some of these Bendy models and other models that I post up on this YouTube channel. This printer was a kit, and the kit at the time was, I think, about $250. They've come down a lot, and they've got a lot more features on them these days. This one did not come with a power supply, so I had to grab one out of an old computer and use it. And as you can see, the wiring is very crazy looking. I know people can make it cleaner. I did the best I could at the time, and there really wasn't a good place to put that, and the wires are short. I'm having recent problems. I literally shorted something out here, and sometimes my heated bed won't turn on because the power is not getting to it. This whole thing needs to be replaced. It melted, as you can see. And the biggest upgrade I ever did on this printer was the E3D hot end. I had so much trouble when I first got this printer with the original hot end that looked like this. Would clog constantly. It was such a pain to have to keep taking it apart, and you'd be under extruding, and then you'd say, oh no, and you'd waste a lot of time and effort doing it. I have never had a clog that stopped a print from finishing on this hot end, so I really have a lot of good things to say about that hot end. I bought a new printer that's a MakerBot clone. It is not here at this house, and the reason why I bought it, because I wanted dual extruders, and I wanted to try to do that instead of changing filament in mid print. Well, anyway, that printer is proving to be more of a hassle with the one extruder never really working properly, and I've changed out as much stuff as I can change out, and it's still not working properly. And I feel like I wasted $400 plus a lot of time on that printer. This one, I love the quality of the prints. It's not as good as what you can get these days, and I will have to upgrade, but I've got so much money invested in this 3D printing stuff at this time that the wife is not going to let me put any more into it. So I have to deal with what I have and try to fix what I have. I'm just having nothing but printer problems these days. As you can see, my inky fingers, my inkjet printer totally failed on me the other day, and now I have a useless inkjet printer that I will need to buy a new printer. I am just not having any luck these days. Anyway, any questions about the 3D printer, let me know. Yeah, maybe I'll get to print some of the things from chapter 3 when it comes out, but at this point it's looking kind of bleak. People have asked me about buying some of the figures, and if I could print them, maybe I could give some away, sell one or two. I know there's that whole, I'm not trying to profit a lot on it, but I put the money back into my equipment, and right now I need some money for equipment because the equipment I have is failing miserably. Anyway, so I don't want to Patreon. I don't want to ask for money and handouts. I can fix it. I just have to decide what to do and where to go from here. So that's all. I'm not a big time model maker. I just do this for fun and a hobby. Most of my prints are functional. I've got tons of things that I print that are not models, but lately I've been printing models because that's what worked on YouTube, so there you have it. And we'll see, YouTube is kind of failing too, so just my fault. I can't make good videos and keep down the fort very well, so that's just where we are. I'm not trying to make this sound I don't know, whatever, but that's it.